Hello students, now the first week of this MOOC course on solid and hazardous waste management is complete. In this first week, we have studied 3 modules. In the first module, that was on the waste types and waste classification, we have learned that how waste has been defined by different national and international agencies. In addition to that, we have learned that how solid waste have been defined in the solid waste management handling rules. The definition of the waste, solid waste, given in solid waste management and handling rule 2016 is very important for us, as that is the law of the land. Then we have learned about classification of solid waste. We know that solid waste can be classified on the basis of their source of generation, on the basis of their type, as well as on the basis of their properties. In addition to this, I will suggest my student try to classify the solid waste on the basis of other properties such as calorific value, moisture content, toxicity, degradability, etc. In the second module was on the waste sources and waste generation rate. In this module, we have learnt about different sources from which waste is generated. Then we have learnt about waste generation rate and calculation of waste generation in an area, in a city or in a nation. This particular topic is very important for us, because based upon this we can calculate that how much quantities of solid waste will be generated in a particular community, and based upon that we can decide that how much land will be required for its disposal. In addition to this, we have learned little bit about mass balance, and we have also learned in brief about different factors which influence the waste generation rate. In this module, students were given students solved some numerical problems regarding waste generation and waste generation rate. I will suggest students to please go through different books and try to solve some more problems on the waste generation and waste generation rate. Third module, that is on traditional methods of solid waste disposal. We have learned that what is the difference in solid waste disposal and solid waste management. In this module, we have learned about different methods which were practiced in past. The common methods which were practiced in past regarding the solid waste disposal were open burning, open dumping and deep burial. We have also learned about the drawbacks or limitations of these methods. In addition to this, we have learned about ocean dumping, because ocean dumping is practiced by a number of countries. We have also learned that how the solid waste disposed in oceans affect the ocean environment and the biodiversity flora fauna existing in the oceans. Then we have learned about different laws, different regulations enacted in different nations to deal with the solid waste problems. Then we have also learned about different methods of solid waste disposal which are practiced presently in different countries. These methods we will be studying in details in the next modules. Then we have studied about solid waste management and handling rules 2016 in very brief in this module. In the second week of this course, again we will be having 3 modules. The first module of the second week will be on the factors which influence the solid waste generation and its health hazards. And the second module of second week is on the waste composition. Study of waste composition is very, very important, because once we know the waste composition, then we can decide that which method can be used for its management or for its disposal. And third module of the second week will be on the waste collection. Although waste collection itself is a very vast topic, so we have divided it into 2 modules. One module you will study on waste collection in the second week, and second module on waste collection you will study in the third week. Thank you. I hope you will enjoy the second week. Thank you.